I missed day one of Vlogmas, so I'm off to a flying start, but I promise I had a solid excuse. I was celebrating St. Andrew's Day in St. Andrews. Now, the weather promised double digits and dry skies. It lied. Definitely wasn't that. We started the day at Mitchell's for breakfast, one of my absolute favourites. It's dog friendly, so of course Brochan came too. I had a beef brisket hash with just the right kick of hot sauce. I hear golf is kind of a big deal here. I don't really know, but there are a lot of golf shops around. Anyway, we took Brochan for a walk along one of the courses to grab a coffee at Duke, another dog-friendly spot, and there were so many dogs. It was amazing. I was in heaven. I had a s'mores hot chocolate, because how could I not? And this roast beef sandwich that was so good it might make it as my new death row meal, do you know what I mean? Not only could you get hot chocolates and a variety of hot drinks and cold drinks and all of these good things, you could also pick up a cocktail. How amazing is that? If you were just to go for a wee walk along the beach with a friend and pick up an Aperol Spritz on the way. I love that. After a spot of lunch, it was time to check into our home for the night, one of the gorgeous Woodland Suites at Rufflets. It's dog friendly, of course, and I'm absolutely obsessed. The suite is just a little bit away from the main hotel and it's fully self-catered, but we did decide to eat at the hotel's bar instead. And again, Brochan was invited. When it comes to the Woodland Suite, you have to picture this. The crackling of the wood burner on one side, the back door open to the patio so that we could let Brochan in and out because he was getting quite toasty. We had the sound of the water running through the burn just outside. It was absolute bliss. I cannot tell you how lovely this was. Brochan loved it. I loved it. We had some tea and chocolates just soaking it all in before heading out for dinner. Steak, wine, the most amazing chips, and another cozy fire. This is exactly what December is all about, and I am so here for it. By the time we made it back to the lodge, I could barely move, but I was just in time to beat the rain. And honestly, listening to it hit the skylight above the bed while watching the stars peek through, it was absolute heaven. The sleep was chef's kiss until the early rise. Dog owners will understand. Breakfast was porridge for me and a little sausage for Brochan. Back at the lodge, I couldn't resist a dip in this bath because how could you not?